What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to open a Revolut account in the United Kingdom, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. So let's jump straight to the process. So how to open a new Revolut account. If you're opening a personal account, is simple and takes a matter of minutes. Anyone older than 18 can open a Revolut account, and it is available if it's available in their country. There are no special requirements except that being over 18 and being in the country that is supported by Revolut. So you need to download Revolut app through Google Play or Apple Store depending on which device you use. Then you need to enter your phone number and make a 4-digit passcode. Step 3, enter a 6-digit code you get from a text message, and step 4 is enter your personal info such as the name, the birth date, address and email address. You can top up your new account, which is optional, and you need to verify your identity. So to do so, you'll be sent a password and a 6-digit code to verify a Revolut account. It will ask you to choose your country of residence, enter your first and last name, define your @rev tag, and enter your birth date, address and email. Once that is done, you will be asked to make an initial deposit, enter your bank details to make the transfer, and then provide a selfie and a picture of your passport to verify it. At this stage, it will be saved and you can leave and come back to it later. Afterwards, you'll then be asked to select a standard, premium or metal account and pay the relevant fee. The standard account is free and it will dive into features such as Revolut account below. So basically guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.